We'll guide you through how to fix a notification problem on an Android phone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This problem can be frustrating because the notifications are not coming through. You can go and miss something important, like an important email or another notification from an app which you want to go and have. It's really important you watch this full video. Don't skip ahead, otherwise you may go and miss the method that goes and solves the problem for you. To get started, come to the top of your phone and swipe down to open up this menu here, and drag down again to go and open up the full control center. Now what you need to do in here is you need to go and find the option for Do Not Disturb. You can go and see it just there. You want to make sure that it's not turned on and highlighted. If Do Not Disturb is turned on and highlighted, this means that notifications are going to be muted and they're not going to go and come through, and so you can go and end up missing them, make you think there's a problem. So make sure Do Not Disturb is turned off, like so. Go and see if that solves it. Try and go and wait for a notification, or you could go and send one yourself. Then what you can try doing, if that still doesn't solve it, is swipe up. We need to go and find the option for settings. You can search at the top or swipe across here and find the settings app. Now go and scroll down and find notifications. If you are struggling to go and find Do Not Disturb in the control panel, you can find it here and make sure that it's turned off. Next, you want to come to app notifications at the top. Now go and wait. It's just going to load your apps here. Make sure that the app you want notifications from is switched on here. If it's switched off, that is why it's not working. So let's go and say I wanted notifications from Chrome. That would need to go and be switched on here. And as well as that, as well as switching it on to the right, you can go and tap on it and get some more details. Make sure the types are turned on that you want here as well. In some cases, you're going to be able to go and configure in the app as well. So you can press configure there and you can make sure that the notification settings are set correctly for the app. If that still doesn't solve the problem, tap and hold the side button. That'll go and bring up this screen here, and you can tap restart and tap restart again to go and confirm your decision. Then the device will go and restart. Sometimes doing that can go and solve problems. So go and see if it does and see if notifications are now coming through. Hopefully they are. If they still aren't, you want to go and swipe up and go back to your settings. In here, you want to go and scroll down, find the option for general management, and you can go and tap there. Then you want to go and scroll down and you can go and find reset down here. And then what you can do is go and scroll down and you can go and find the option for reset all settings. It's worth doing this. It will go and reset them all, but it may go and solve the problem. So press reset and then hopefully the problem will go and be solved.